Hi students, how are you all? I believe you are all keeping well. Take care, stay home and be safe. Well students, once again welcome back to the world of English. Well, before we get into the topic, let's revise and learn some of the known concepts in English grammar. Okay, now what do you understand by the word adjective? Well, adjective is one of the parts of speech, right? Now, adjectives are words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. Or, in simple terms, adjectives are the describing words. Okay, they describe a noun or a pronoun. For example, red, quick, happy, tall, small. These are the words that describe a noun or pronoun. Okay? Adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb. It describes or modifies a verb. Okay, verb is an action, right? Now, when I say he sings loudly, he is a subject, sings is the verb, loudly is an adverb. Okay, it is describing the verb. How does he sing? Loudly. Okay, so adverbs are the words that modifies a verb. Okay, do you understand? Now, what is meant by verb? You all know, right? Verbs are doing words. Okay, doing words. Verbs can express a physical action, a mental action, or a state of being of the subject. Okay, now a physical action is like to swim, to ride, to climb, okay, to play, to jump. All these are physical actions. Mental action is to think, to guess, to consider. Okay, you are giving work for your mind, right? There is no physical action involving. Now, state of being, to be, to exist, to appear. She is a doctor. What is the state of being of this girl or a woman? Being a doctor. Okay? Now, what are determiners? Determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make it clear what the noun refers to. Okay, so in English we have determiners like definite articles, indefinite articles, demonstratives, pronouns, possessive determiners, quantifiers, numbers, distributives. All these are determiners. Do you understand now? You might be wondering why I'm talking about the parts of speech, right? Because in today's session we are going to discuss and learn the use of the word enough, a word that can qualify an adjective or an adverb. Okay, a word enough which can qualify an adverb or an adjective. Okay, now what do you understand by the word enough? Enough is sufficient, right? Enough is sufficient. Okay, the first sentence, she will come fast enough after her share of what our father has left. The first sentence, she'll come fast enough after her share of what our father has left. And the second sentence we have, Mrs. Slater does not have enough money to buy the bureau. The second sentence, Mrs. Slater does not have enough money to buy the bureau. In both the sentence, enough, the word is used, right? The word enough is used in both the sentence. Now, the meaning of enough is sufficient, right? The meaning of enough is sufficient. In both the sentences, the word enough is used, but it has its own particular function. Okay, please note, the word enough becomes an adverb. Okay, enough becomes adverb when it is used after adjectives or adverbs or verbs. Okay, please understand, the word enough becomes adverb or it acts as an adverb when it is used after adjectives, adverbs or verbs. Okay, now let us see the first example. She'll come fast enough after her share of what our father has left. Okay, now where is the word enough? It is coming after fast, right? Now what is fast? Fast is an adjective. Okay, so you can understand fast enough. Here the word enough is acting as an adverb because it is coming after adjective. Please understand, enough becomes an adverb when it comes after adjectives or adverbs or verbs. Okay, now when we take the first example, she'll come fast enough after her share of what her father has left. Okay, fast enough. Fast is an adjective, enough the word. So here the word enough is functioning as adverb. Is it clear? Now let's move to the next one. Mrs. Slater does not have enough money to buy the bureau. Okay, enough money. Now what is meant by money here? Money is a noun. Okay, money is a noun. When the word enough is used before noun, okay, when the word enough is used before noun, it becomes an adjective. Okay, enough money, enough plus noun becomes adjective. Okay, so the word enough is used as an adjective. Do you understand? Now let's check our understanding by deciding whether enough in the following sentences is used as an adjective or an adverb. Okay, so please understand first, enough becomes an adverb when it is used after adjectives, adverbs or verbs, and enough becomes an adjective when it is used before noun. I believe you're not getting confused. Okay, this house is not big enough for me. This house is not big enough for me. Now where is the word enough? It is placed after an adjective. It is placed after an adjective. So big enough is an adverb. Enough is acting as an adverb. Is it clear? We didn't leave early enough. We didn't leave early enough. Early enough. Early is an adverb. Okay, the word enough is placed after an adverb, so it becomes adverb again. Okay, because we already learned the word enough becomes an adverb when it is placed after an adjective or adverb or verb. Clear? So the word here enough is placed after an adverb, right? I was not trained enough for the game. I was not trained enough for the game. Trained enough. Trained is verb. Okay. The word enough is placed after verb. So it becomes again adverb. Okay. Is there enough room for me? Is there enough room for me? Now, please understand, the word enough comes before the word room, right? Enough room. Room is actually noun. Enough room. It is coming before noun. The word enough is coming before noun room. So it becomes an adjective. Okay? I do not have enough clothes for my journey. I do not have enough clothes for my journey. Now, enough clothes. Now, clothes refer to the noun, right? Enough clothes. The word enough is placed before noun. So it becomes adjective. Okay? Now let's do an exercise. Complete the following sentences using either enough or not enough and one of the words given in the list below. We have fast, money, beds, strong, old, hard, time, sweet, warm, water. Okay, so please understand the word enough becomes an adverb when it is used after an adjective, adverb or verb. Okay, the word enough becomes an adjective when it is used before noun. Okay, Harish wants to be a great wrestler, but he is not strong enough. Harish wants to be a great wrestler, but he is not strong enough. Okay. So what is the function of enough here in this sentence? Strong enough, adjective, right? So strong is an adjective, right? The word enough is coming after an adjective, so it becomes adverb. Okay, it becomes adverb. I want to sit and watch TV, but I just don't have dash enough time. I want to sit and watch TV, but I just don't have enough time. Okay, now what is meant by time here? It is noun. Where is the word enough? It is coming before noun. Okay, the word enough is before noun time. So it is an adjective. Okay. He tried to win the race, but he came third as he was not fast enough. He tried to win the race, but he came third as he was not fast enough. Fast enough. Fast is an adjective. Okay, so what is the function of enough here? It is an adverb. Okay, so when the word enough comes after an adjective or adverb or verb, it becomes an adverb. Okay, so here fast enough, fast is an adjective, right? So fast enough, the function of enough is adverb. Okay, this bath is freezing, the water is not warm enough. This bath is freezing. The water is not warm enough. Warm is an adjective, right? Now what is the function of enough here? It functions as adverb. Okay? Not warm enough. We had to sleep on the floor as there were not enough beds. We had to sleep on the floor as there were not enough beds. Okay, now the word enough is used before noun. The word enough is coming before noun beds. So the function of enough is adjective. Okay, here enough, the word enough functions as an adjective because it is coming before noun. Is it clear? There is dash to make a cup of tea. What is wrong with the pipes? There is not enough water to make a cup of tea. What is wrong with the pipes? Now, the answer is not enough water, right? Now, where is the word enough? Enough is coming before the word water, right? Now, here, water is noun. Okay, so the word enough is coming before noun. Now you can guess it, right? The function of the word enough here, it acts as an adjective because it is coming before noun, right? If Sujata does not have dash, I can lend her. If Sujata does not have enough money, I can lend her. Okay, now enough money. Money is noun. The word money is noun. Where is the word enough? Enough comes before noun, right? Or the word enough is before the noun. So the function of enough is an adjective because the word enough is coming before noun, that is money. Enough money. Enough money. Okay. Vasavi is not dash to become a member of this club. She must be at least 18 years of age to join. Okay? Vasavi is not old enough to become a member of this club. She must be at least 18 years of age to join. Okay, so the answer is old enough. Now where is the word enough? Enough is coming after an adjective. Old is adjective. Okay, now the function of enough is adverb because it is coming after an adjective. Okay. Is this coffee dash for you? Would you like some more sugar? Is this coffee sweet enough for you? Would you like some more sugar? So the answer is sweet enough. Now what is meant by sweet here? The word sweet is an adjective. Now where is the word enough? It is coming after an adjective. Okay, so the word enough functions as an adverb because it is coming after an adjective. Okay. Do you think he has studied dash to pass the entrance exam? Do you think he has studied hard enough to pass the entrance exam? So where is the word enough here? It is coming after an adverb. Okay, has studied. Studied. How did he study? Hard. Okay, so the word hard is functioning as an adverb. Okay, now where is the word enough? It is coming after an adverb, right? So the word enough functions as an adverb. Okay. So here we end our session. I believe we have understood today's session. Okay. See you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.